Hi, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and I'm here with Jeffrey Rhoades, and he's going to install the
Anco Wiper Blades on the truck.
Okay, we did receive these for review. We received them for free or at a reduced price in exchange for our honest opinion. All opinions are our own, so here we go. We are installing these on a 1989 Ford F350. Those look pretty nice, Jeffrey?
Yes. Oh yes. They're brand new blades, very nice. They're actually what was on here before, I can tell.
Wow.
And yeah, you can see, I mean, there's nothing left of these blades that were on there.
Wow.
You know, you compare these, you know, there's nothing left.
Wow.
So we were desperately in need of new blades.
I'm just going to come up here and try to zoom in at what you're doing there. Looks like it's hard getting those off.
I know, it's a matter of remembering how to do it.
There's no instructions on the wiper blades.
Actually there are.
Ah, okay.
There's instructions
there we go.
there.
Okay, you just didn't take the time to read them.
Well, I had looked at it a little bit, I just hadn't, you know, it's just a matter of remembering what I was doing.
Okay. So how do they go on? They just pop in place?
Well, there's a tab here.
Okay.
Okay, you pull this tab down, and there's a hole that goes through.
Okay.
Okay, and this just allows you to put this pin through there, and they just attach like that.
Oh wow, that's really nice.
They're actually really simple, easy to install. There is an additional piece that you can use depending on the size, blade, and mounting system that you have. Different styles of mounters. But just a simple pin, you know, it's a real simple install.
Okay. Alright, and now we're going to do the other one. That old wiper blade was really bad.
Both of them were the same way. They have both gone which is why I hadn't used the truck much this winter to get anything.
You don't need any tools to get them out of the package, just tear them open.
Yep.
Okay. No tools to install them either.
Nope.
Okay. So that's so simple you could do it in a parking lot.
Yeah. And in fact, most places that sell these will help you to install them right there in the parking lot of the store. Well, at least your automotive shops that sell them.
Okay. It's like the old ones are stuck on there. I think that's the hardest part right there. Okay. You just having a hard time getting a grip on that one?
Yeah, it's just a little awkward positioning.
Yeah, I know this truck is big, so... All right.
Snaps right on.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Jeffrey, for doing that. And thanks for watching. That's my turkeys in the background. I hope you all have a great day.